Morning! Welcome back, Slayers! So today we'll talk about DISCHIDIA ruscifolia. Am I pronouncing it right? I'm not really pretty sure. But this plant is also known as million hearts. And this is one of the easiest trailing plant that you can grow as a beginner. Highly recommended, no fuss at all. So if you wanted to know on how do I take care of these plants, please make sure to subscribe before we start so you will be updated every time we post a new video, okay? So we are on our road to 1K subscribers, so beke naman. So without further ado, let's get started. So DISCHIDIA ruscifolia, this is an epiphyte type of plant. Sa wild, nabubuhay siya na nakakapit sa mga bark ng trees. So example, just like that. Kumakapit silang ganyan. So, ganon. Kaya, ang ginawa kong medium sa kanila is, what do you call this? This is cocoa husk, o yung sa Tagalog, bunot. So, ganyan yung medium na ginagamit ko. Walang lupa at all. So, when it comes to watering, syempre, kung sa wild ay nakakapit sila sa mga bark ng puno, so, malamang kapag umuulan, nare-rinse off lang sila. So, hindi dapat sila nabababad sa tubig, kumbaga. So that's why these type of medium yung ginamit ko rin sa kanila para hindi sila ma-root rot at maiwasan na yung pagkababad. If you wanted to plant this sa soil, pwede naman. Just make sure it's a fast draining type of mixture. So this one, I purchased this kay Mama Ruth. Saki Love by Naruti. Hashtag not sponsored. Nakailang propagate na ako sa plant na to. Humaba na siya ng mga hanggang dito. So ganyan. So as you can see, hindi pantay-pantay yung tubo niya, but it's very lush. Kahit tingnan nyo sa top. See that? So, tinitrim ko lang siya. You will see these interesting veins as it grows. So, madali lang siyang paramihin. So, ikakat mo lang yan under nung isang node. As you can see, meron lang siyang mga different roots. And then, yan yung iaakap mo sa cocoa husk. Sa ganito. Didikit mo lang yan dyan siya. Tapos, napakadali niyang dumami. When it comes to light, I have one na nasa labas ng aming bahay at whole day siyang nandun. Pero, filtered yung kanyang light. Ibig sabihin, malilim. Sa ilalim siya ng may patola namin. So, yun. So, bright, pero filtered. Dito naman sa bahay, I have two of them, medium to bright light. They can actually thrive, and that's what I like about these plants. Very robust, very resilient. When it comes to pests, I haven't encountered any pest on this plant. Manonotice nyo lang as it grows, magkakaroon siya ng white, little white flowers. So it's not a heavy feeder. So yeah, if you are those beginners na gustong-gusto nyo magkaroon ng trailing type of plant na walang kasakit-sakit sa ulo, I highly recommend having Million of Hearts. So that's it for today's Layers. I'll see you guys soon. I'll see you guys next week. Bye for now.